One of my favorite things to do is, as an artist, is to give my work to people that I know are going to love it. So I'm on my way now to deliver dark cherry bowl to a buddy of mine, Mike. So hope you enjoy the video. Alright, here I am with my nice piece of wood, and it's time to put a hole in it. Yeah, I just gave up on the jig. Turn it on. Try not to kill myself with it, and I usually just turn it on for a little bit. Alright, it's nice and ready to go. Safety first. Let's rock. Sweet. Time to turn the corners. Something so satisfying about seeing this going fast forward and just seeing the old wood kind of go off and the new wood come in. I don't know, I kind of dig that. Ooh, pretty. Wow, check out that branch. This bowl had a really cool inclusion where a branch must have been going through it. And I kind of want to save that as much as I can. Just because I think it looks kind of cool. Yep, right there. I wonder if it'll stay in. Haha. Guess you'll have to find out. One of the things that I tried to do on this bowl was to really work on getting a clean cut. A lot of my cuts lately have been tearing out the end grain. My tools are sharp. It's I think maybe I was just going too fast or not riding my bevel correctly. You can kind of see right in the middle there's kind of like a little, I don't know, darkish spot. That's really where my bevel was rubbing, and it almost kind of like a little like a burnish. So you'll see me stop a lot, and I'm taking my time and just making sure that I present the tool in the best way and go a little bit slower. I think maybe as a new bowl turner, one of the things I'm always trying to do, I guess, is maybe to turn it too fast. I don't know if other people have this issue. But it's just really just leaving a lot of marks in my vessel, and then I'd spend a lot of time sanding. So right now I'm like kind of marking some high spots where I want to take them down. In my mind, I have kind of a basic shape of where I want to go, and so far I was really kind of happy with the way everything was going out. And then here it goes wrong. Boom. There goes that branch piece. Oh well. Let's check out the damage together. At the end of the day, it kind of looked cool, so I decided to keep it in. What I just thought I would do is the scraper is just kind of like smooth it out, make sure it's not going to catch anything. Love this scraper. It's like the final touch of everything. Definitely having a nice sharp scraper helps. Here's kind of like a regular speed. The shavings that just come off are so fine and nice. Alright, with the help of my square carbide scraper, time to put a foot on. Love this tool. Ooh, pretty. All right, time to measure twice, cut 1,000 times, because I can never seem to get it right on the first try. I don't know which part I like about bowl turning it. Do you like the outside where you give the shape, or do you like more of the inside turning? I think for me right now, definitely the outside. It's fun to play with different shapes. All right, time to use my beating tool to put a mark in there to make sure I don't hit the edge of the bowl. Time for some hogging out. This scraper just takes so much material out. Alright, it's time to use my nemesis, the regular bowl gouge. And cue dramatic effect now. Ooh, look at the shavings. So nice. So nice indeed. Time to check the gauge. My problem with the bowl gouge is really where the transitions are between like the side. Once they start getting steep, it's just, I don't know, I just can't get a good result from it. Like, you know, like with an Ellsworth grind, it's just easier to make that transition. I don't know, I'll keep practicing. Here's what a half an hour of sanding looks like really, really fast. And it's almost done. All right, time to use some of my favorite stuff, Triple E, followed by some shallow wax. I definitely think one of the parts I like the most is when you're putting all of this on and it's all coming together and you get to see, you know, how the grain looks and the shine and everything's shiny. Definitely learned a lot from making this bowl, and just kind of like I do all the other ones. And here's the final product. So I think it turned out really nice. I'm going to be giving this to a buddy of mine, and that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.